In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Ionos invoice in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Ionos or have been using their services for a while, it's important to stay on top of your payments to ensure uninterrupted service. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to access the Ionos website. Once you're there, the first thing you'll see is an option to sign in. It's typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking on it is your first step towards managing your invoices. After you've clicked on Sign In, you'll be directed to a new page. Here you'll need to select Customer Account and proceed to sign in. This differentiation is crucial as Ionos offers different types of accounts. Ensuring you're accessing the right one will save you time. Now that you're on the correct page, type in your email address. This should be the email you used when registering for Ionos services. If you have multiple accounts or email addresses, make sure to use the one associated with your Ionos account to avoid any confusion. After entering your email, click on Next. The site will then prompt you for your password. Enter the password associated with your Ionos account. If by any chance you've forgotten your password, there's usually a forgot password link provided to help you reset it. With your email and password entered, click on Next once more. You're now logged into your Ionos account and one step closer to managing your invoices. Once logged in, navigate to My Account. This area of the Ionos website will allow you to manage various aspects of your service, including your billing and invoices. After accessing My Account, look for the Contracts and Subscriptions option. This section contains details about your current plans, subscriptions, and importantly, your invoices. Now, click on your subscription. If you have multiple subscriptions, make sure to select the one for which you want to manage invoices. Each subscription will have its own set of invoices, so selecting the correct one is key. After selecting your subscription, you will find an option labeled Invoices. Click on it. This will take you to a section dedicated to your financial interactions with Ionos, showing a list of all invoices associated with the chosen subscription. Lastly, in the Invoices section, you'll find options to view and, if available, pay your invoices. If your invoice is due and payment is pending, you'll typically find a Pay Now option or similar. Follow the prompts to complete your payment. Sometimes invoices might not be immediately available for payment due to various reasons, such as recent subscription changes or payment processing times. If you can't find an invoice that you're expecting, or if the Pay Now option isn't available, it's a good idea to give it a little time or get in touch with Ionos' customer service for clarification. Paying your Ionos invoice is straightforward once you know where to navigate, but don't hesitate to contact customer support if you encounter any issues or have specific questions about your account or invoice. Remember, keeping up with your invoices ensures your services remain active and prevents any interruptions. Also, consider setting up automatic payments or reminders for future invoices to make the process even smoother. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips. Stay on top of your digital services with ease, and see you in the next video.